Welcome to the new weekly Harmonic scanner analysis. In this analysis, I would like to show you how to use the Harmonic scanner and also is there any bullish or bearish bad pattern formed on the chart. This week there is no bullish or bearish bad pattern that were in line with the trend and also to make the technical analysis. So this week I have not received any kind of a bullish bad pattern or bearish bad pattern that I could also trade. But first of all, we can see that here on the chart I have found this one, which is slightly in line with the filters I am almost using, and that means the bearish bad pattern that has been formed here with the potential reversal zone here, it is formed in small bearish trend, suggesting further decline in value. But we can see also these support and the resistance levels I have created here, it is slightly and it is pretty narrow, this one, so I have not traded this one, but I wanted just to show you an example. First of all, whenever there is a pattern formed, I would like that the pattern shows in the direction of the trend, and we can see this was the trend on the daily time frame, suggesting further decline in value, and we can see this is the bearish bad pattern that is suggesting further decline, where the first take profit is here, second take profit is here. So I would slightly move the take profit above this area of support. This one is on the very good position, and also trying to avoid the price reaching the stop loss level, which is just above, and also this was at the very good position. So feel free to check also the Harmonic scanner to detect these patterns. Now, how to use this Harmonic scanner? First of all, you get the chart, and on the chart you get here a small floating window which shows you all the patterns that are currently available on the market. Now, if you reset this one, this Harmonic scanner will show all the patterns that are currently available on this time frame, on this symbol here on the chart. And we can see there are several patterns, all of them are with the different colors. So you can also click here show to show you only specific pattern on the chart. If you would like to receive more details about this pattern, simply click here hide and show, and here you will have much more details about this pattern. Now, when the pattern is formed, you also receive notification on your Telegram if you have activated that information, and that means notification here. In this window you define with these filters which time frame you would like to track, which pattern you would like to receive notification for, and after that you can put also more symbols if you would like. You can select Forex major and minor, but you can add more symbols by typing here in this field which symbol you would like. You can also receive the crypto if you would like, simply type it, and if it is available it will be shown here. After you have selected the filters, the scanner populates all the data that is currently active, and you can see this table has been populated with all the patterns on all the symbols that you have defined. When there is a pattern, the scanner detects it, and whenever it populates here, you receive a Telegram notification with a link. So when you click on the link, you will open the chart here on the Harmonic scanner, which shows you immediately what are the levels here, so you can make the technical analysis or you can make the decision based on the chart what you can see. And here are also the most important details that Harmonic scanner shows you, so you can also make the decision. Is the reward risk ratio is good enough or not, and also is the area for the entry level, stop loss, or the targets are on the good position. That is up to you to make the technical analysis, but feel free to use also indicators which are available here, so you can pick which one is very good for you to put on the chart. Now there is also one thing more, that is a monitor tab where you have a table with all the patterns listed here, but you have also the chart above. Here in this area you define which filters you would like. Feel free to check the settings where you find which time frame you would like to see here, which asset classes, which patterns you would like to receive here, and inside security you define much more closely which symbols you would like to track. Now you can see all of them are activated. If you would like to deactivate one of them, simply click on this one and activate one by one, and this table will immediately reset and populate the data. Here inside this table, it is ordered by the date. You can see that. You can simply click on it to change this one. So you receive the all the patterns that are created. Here inside the column you can see the pattern, but you can also see is the status complete. You have then failed if the pattern has been completely failed. When you click on it, you immediately get on the chart here this information about this chart, and you can see that the stop loss has been reached, which means failed. Then you have a complete, that means it's still available for trading. The price did not reach a stop loss and did not reach the take two profit. Then you have here also a successful. Just a minute, let me find one. Here it is. Successful, that means the price has reached from the potential reversal zone, the entry level, it has reached the take profit too. And we can see that was the case in this pattern. Now you have more details here, risk to reward ratio, the date, the time when this happened, which time frame, which pattern, is it bullish or bearish. And then you can also make some kind of analysis on the specific pattern. For example, you can use completely only bad pattern if you would like to receive only that for just a minute. Let's completely shut down here. Oh, we can leave that also available. We can do that like in this example here. Activate. We put euro USD filter, enter, and then you filter only euro USD. You have only the bad pattern, and then you can make the analysis. And we can see how the price has behaved, which means the Harmonic scanner has detected all these patterns. Most of them has been failed, and we can see that here. But remember, whenever there is a risk to reward ratio which is 3 above the 3, this is a great information, which means you can lose 3 trades, 1 successful, and you will be profitable. So for example, if we have here 1 and 2 successful, which means 5 and 3, almost 8 risk to reward ratio, we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This means we could also be profitable with 7 failed and only 2 profitable patterns. That is very important information for the traders to know about this. So feel free to check Harmonic scanner. Feel you have a 7-day free trial to check is it suitable for you, for your trading style, and it is helpful or not. If you have any questions, feel free also to ask any questions. Feel free to leave a comment and I will try to answer as soon as possible. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.